I just went to get some water and I was like, oh, I'm a bit thirsty. As you can see, it's very windy, so that's the perfect weather conditions to go to the very top deck of the ship and climb this rock wall, where there's flames coming out of the top of the rock wall. That sounds safe. Why in God's name would I do this? Well, it's to impress this gorgeous young lady. This is Brandy, and she was like, Christian, you've got to do it. And I was like, fuck off. I got these dainty little shoes that I had to put on, and they made me feel very Irish and dancey. Then Chrissy helped me with the harness. Then I demanded this gorgeous man check my harness. Not a requirement, but I didn't trust Chrissy. And as you can see by my face, loving this so much. It's really cupped and lifted right now. Stop looking! Then it was time for me to show Brandy how it's done. Spoiler alert, Brandy, as you'll see in the next clip, was at the top before I'd even grabbed the first rock wall.
No, don't do that.
Just an action replay. Brandy's at the top. She's already got there and I'm 2 foot off the ground. She rings the bell, scares the living shit out of me. That's her fault. I got scared and then I fell to my death. The rock climbing instructor felt embarrassed of me, so he said I could do the kids one, and it was equally as difficult.
Everybody's watching. No pressure. Hold it in here when I ring that bell. You got it. You're almost there. You got it. You got it.
The cat's popping.
Thanks for being here.
I came and you called immediately. You leave this alone.
And that is how you rock climb at Royal Caribbean. I will be going home with that. Thank you so much, Brandy, for making me do that. Let's just see the highlights reel of that again.